Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I'll show you how to zoom in or zoom out your timeline in CapCut video editing on PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, when you drag in a clip into your timeline and you want to expand the timeline view, so you'll be able to see what is happening with that particular clip. So it is advisable that you make use of timeline zoom. And for that, what you want to do right here is to come to the sidebar right here. You have the minus sign right there, which simply means that you want to zoom out, and you have the plus sign right here, which simply means that you want to zoom in. And for that, if I click on plus sign right there, you see the clip become much longer. However, it does not affect the duration of your video. It only affects the expansion of the timeline. So if you want to turn off the zoom out, if you want to zoom out, what you want to do right here is to come down to the minus sign button right there. Click on it, continue to zoom out as much as possible until you are returned to the default timeline settings. If you want to zoom in, click on here, this plus sign right here, which allows you to zoom in. Continue to zoom until you are able to satisfy with the clip in the timeline on your CapCut video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you